Did you see a 20,000-pound tree just explode, shattering its massive trunk into pieces? Oh my gosh, it's truly shocking and terrifying how quickly things can go wrong when the tree trunk in front of you suddenly explodes into pieces. The scene was truly horrifying. The tree trunk crashed down, almost flinging the person in the tree. Someone holding the rope was also yanked up into the tree. This scene was truly terrifying. The fallen tree trunk created a chaotic scene for the onlookers. The young man is trying to bring down the dead tree trunk to prevent it from affecting the house. The man used a red vehicle to push the massive tree trunk. It was truly shocking when the enormous trunk fell directly onto the tiny car. Under the blazing sunlight, the massive tree trunk suddenly collapsed onto a small house, causing it to be destroyed. The large tree branch fell from above and appeared to have destroyed the fence below. It was quite a funny scene as the father and son were dragged across the lawn by the massive tree trunk.
¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Se va y la mata! ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay! ¡Ay, ay se fue! ¡Se fue la mata! ¡Ay, Dios, Gonzalo! ¡Ay, Gonzalo!
Wow, this is a perfect example of how nature can catch you off guard. Never underestimate these towering giants. The man in the black shirt was trying to saw down a massive tree, which fell straight towards someone running past. Fortunately, the person was far enough away and wasn't seriously injured. A massive dead tree collapsed onto a neighboring building, and the sight of the tree shattering into pieces was truly fascinating. Oh no, a massive tree fell directly, destroying a nearby house. Oh, the strong wind caused a massive tree to fall, greeted by the cheers of the people watching.
Don't mess with that. Don't do that.
Jump.
The tree trunk shattered, causing panic among the crowd as they dropped their cameras. The massive tree trunk struck the face of the man standing nearby. Luckily, his helmet protected him, keeping him safe. A massive, dry tree suddenly fell and crushed the roof of a car. The sight of a massive tree directly destroying a house left the worker in a state of shock. It's truly dangerous. This foolish guy is cutting the tree without paying attention to his own safety.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh!
This guy is really unlucky. The massive tree trunk destroyed a corner of his house. He seems bewildered by the result of his own actions.
God damn it.
Oh no. The large tree suddenly fell in front of the man, catching him off guard. Fortunately, he reacted in time. This guy quickly dealt with the fallen tree. Handling dead trees like this is important so that smaller surrounding trees can grow. The way this man quickly brought down the large tree suggests that he has many years of experience. The experienced man easily brought down the massive tree close to the building. However, it seems the building suffered some minor damage. It was a funny sight as the truck bed was blown away. Oh no, this man is being reckless by cutting the tree without paying attention to his ladder. It's really foolish of him to take such a risk.
That's it, Dad. I think that's it. There it is.
The man was sawing down a massive tree in the forest, but unfortunately, when the tree fell, it destroyed his chainsaw. As he picked up the broken pieces of his saw, he began to cry.